Hey guys, what's going on here? It's the Big Dog, and this is another cover video. With a nickel size haze, when a damaging winds. We rode over New York, they ain't ever gonna let us back in. Where we blew out the lights, we kicked the windows in. And when the law showed up, said they're gonna have to take us in. They're all scared of my music, terrified of my friends. They all run and take cover, like a big storm's coming in. Better lock up your liquor and keep your women mean. Better find you a basement. It's the worst storm you ever seen. With a nickel size, when a damaging winds. We rode over Ninewood, they ain't ever gonna let us back in. Well, we blew out the lights, we kicked the windows in. And when the law showed up, they said, who's gonna pay for this? Yeah, this my speed right here. I got something to say. Hey Sonny, pass me that bottle of Jack, and if I kick down the front, we're coming in the back. $1,000 boots and pretty boy jeans. If you ain't living, then don't you sing it. If you won't tremble, then by God bring it. Cause me and old Sonny ain't scared, you see. Hey, when the damaging winds. We rode over Austin, they ain't ever gonna let us back in. We blew out the lights, kicked the windows in. And when the law showed up, he said they're gonna have to take us in. You might have a little lightning, a little rain coming in. Might have you a snowstorm, or the tides come rising in. But you better be careful when the weatherman says, watch out for a nickel size and a damaging wind. Damaging winds over Nashville, they ain't ever gonna let us back in. Well, we blew out the lights, we kicked the windows in. And when the law showed up, they said, who's gonna pay for this? Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and we got 24 subscribers. Let's get to 25, baby. We need one more. So let's do that, and have a fantastic day and a fantastic life. I will see all you dudes in the next video. Goodbye. Peace. Big Dog out.